Tesla's highly anticipated Cybertruck gears up for Q3 2023 delivery event. During the recently held Q1 2023 earnings call, Tesla CEO Elon Musk confirmed that a dedicated delivery event would be held for the Cybertruck later this year. Musk estimated that the event would be held in the third quarter. The Cybertruck was heavily featured in Tesla's Q1 2023 update letter, with the company providing several photos of the all-electric pickup truck's production line in Giga, Texas. During the earnings call, the CEO highlighted that Tesla is currently preparing the facility for the mass production of the Cybertruck. Regarding the Cybertruck, we continue to build alpha versions of the Cybertruck on our pilot line for testing purposes. It's a great product, and we're completing the installation of the volume production line at Giga, Texas, and we're anticipating a great delivery event, probably in Q3, Musk said. The Cybertruck, which has garnered significant interest since its initial unveiling in 2019, represents a radical departure from traditional automotive design and manufacturing processes. It was no surprise, then, that Musk made it a point to set expectations about the vehicle's ramp. As with all new products, it will follow an S-curve, so production starts out slow and then accelerates. The Cybertruck is no different. There's a tremendous amount of demand for the product, obviously. In my view, it's a fantastic product, a Hall of Famer. But as with all new products, it takes time to get the manufacturing line going. And this is really a very radical product. It's not made in the way that other cars are made, Musk noted. While a dedicated Cybertruck delivery event has been expected among EV enthusiasts online, Musk's recent comments provide the first confirmation of such an event being planned. And while no specific date has been provided for the event yet, it would be quite interesting to see if Tesla would try to redeem itself somewhat during the Cybertruck's Q3 delivery, especially with regards to the vehicle's armor glass. Given the Cybertruck's unique design, which features a stainless steel exoskeleton and an angular, futuristic aesthetic, the all-electric pickup truck is poised to redefine the automotive landscape. Its impressive specifications, including a range of up to 500 miles on a single charge, an estimated 0-60 miles per hour time of 2.9 seconds, and a towing capacity of over 14,000 pounds, will likely make it a contender in the ever-growing electric pickup truck market. Source: reposted and summarized from Maria Morano at teslaupdate.